Despite, in spite naman po. Underscore ko ulit sa inyo guys ha. Huwag ninyong i-overthink yung difference ng dalawa na yan in terms of meaning. Kasi pareho lang talaga sila ng ibig sabihin. Pareho lang yan sila na nagsishow ng contrast. So despite what you might have heard, pareho lang sila. In spite of what you might have heard, pareho lang sila. Ang iingatan nyo lang talaga sa kanila, structure. Ang despite, laging one word yan. Walang ibang kasama, walang of. Laging despite lang. Halimbawa, despite all the evidence, no one has been jailed so far. Again, despite lang, walang of. So, andyan na lahat ng ebidensya, ba't wala pang nakukulong? Bakit? Meanwhile, yung in spite naman, lagi yung 3 words. In spite of. In spite of all the evidence, no one has been jailed so far. Gets nyo na yan? So here, we have in spite of 3 words, laging may of. Tapos, same lang din ng sentence. Kahit na may mga ebidensya na or sa kabila ng lahat ng ebidensya, wala pa rin nakukulong.